That dude's cracked.
He found a rock. He found a rock. He found a rock.
Where are you, kid?
How did he already get a gun, dude?
Leave me alone, man.
Where you at?
I said leave me alone. I'm friendly, bro.
You friendly?
Yeah.
Gorilla, he's one shot, dude.
He did.
Hey, but they're the lowest too, though.
Where is
Yeah.
this kid?
There's
Look,
more.
I just want to talk. I just want to talk.
Oh, it wasn't him.
Nah, bro.
Yeah,
heard
bruh.
He's maybe above.
Nah, get away from me.
No, bruh.
I said get away from me.
No.
Yeah. Lift your toes, bro.
He's on the roof. He's on the roof. He's on the roof. Okay.
You sure you wanna fuck
I'm
around with me?
coming for you.
You say, you sure you want to fuck around? You heard that?
I'm coming for you.
Did you guys get him? Is he dead?
Yeah, just
He's-
Hey, little boy.
Oh! Say sorry, you little bitch. Say sorry, you little bitch.
I'm sorry.
All right, I'll let you live. We'll let you live. We'll let you live.
My teammates across the map might as well just kill me, bro.
Ah, man. You know what? Have them come for you, man.
I love you, bro.
Hey, I love you too. Stay up, kid.
I love you.
Did you really leave him up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He said, he literally said sorry, so I'm like, hey, respect. Respect, man. He's gonna die anyways. Who's gonna come for him?
You make him suffer.
He said,